Where are we at? Where's Miss Betty? Go find Miss Betty. There's Lillian. Hey, come here. Come here. We're videotaping the last day of Miss Betty's.
No.
You don't. Oh. Okay, Doss. Here. Go bring this to Miss Betty. Go bring this to Miss Betty.
Here I am all. Oh, thank you.
Doss is like, what is that?
What is it? Gonna help me?
Oh.
Something else in there?
Hey. Hi, Lillian. Wow, you're a good helper, Doss. He's like, there's really something under there.
What is it? There is something under there.
Yeah, he knew. He helped me. Put it in there, didn't you? Okay, you show Miss Betty what it is. What does it say? Oh, go give her that picture. I put that in the back just so. Do you have this?
I have a card.
But you don't have this? Okay, good. I thought it was perfect. Go bring that to Miss Betty. I just put that in the back so you'd remember.
So I remember him?
Yeah, and who it was from.
Well, it hangs up.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was hanging up. Cool.
Yep, you picked that out, didn't you, Doss? Yep, good. Good, Doss. What else did you get, Doss? What else did you pick out?
Tape. You got me some tape.
Yeah. Yeah. What is it, Doss? What is it?
Aw.
Okay, let Miss Betty open it. Oh, what is it? You remember what this is, don't you, Doss? You're sure helping her.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And we put his name on the bottom so you'd remember.
That looks like that that my daughter collects.
I love those angels.
Pretty. Can I have a hug?
Can you give Miss Betty a
Can
hug?
I have a hug?
Doss, you little stinker.
There it went.
Doss, you give Miss Betty a hug.
She collects them. Jim Shore.
Oh, I don't know what those are.
You-
Where are they from?
Oh, no, they look like wood carved stuff that they have. She's got
Oh, I think I
a whole
know.
bunch of them.
I think I know.
Hallmark carries them.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Dawson.
Is that an angel? Can you give Miss Betty a hug? Yeah, give her a hug.
I need a hug. I know you'll do anything for someone else.
Hey, let me see you go down the slide. Let me see you go down the slide. Yeah. Yep. Let me see. How do you do it? Oh, you see Baby Bop in there? You little stinker. You're getting brave.
Yeah, he is.
Hey, go down the slide.
She's sitting here with Paul Healy and that little handful thing.
Oh, she did?
Working it. Maybe she said they're just playing.
She must have puppets at home. Yay! Good job. Okay.
I'm not sure what that was.
Dog? What dog? Mickey Mouse dog?
These are for special places.
Okay. Okay, stop.